MCB News. I'm Steven, and I'll be your host for the next 10 minutes. Recently, Kellogg recalled about 10,000 cases of Eggo Nutri-Grain whole wheat waffles because of a possible Listeria contamination. Kellogg is asking that people who purchase the product discard it and contact the company for a full refund. Listeriosis can be a serious infection. Healthy people, if exposed, could suffer headaches, diarrhea, or muscle aches. High-risk people could suffer fever, muscle aches, headaches, confusion, or convulsions. Pregnant women may get just a fever or headache, but the big risk is that Listeria can cause miscarriages. The CDC estimates that there are approximately 1,600 illnesses and 260 deaths due to listeriosis annually in the United States. The crew at MCB News and I will be testing to see if Eggo Nutri-Grain waffles are now safe to eat. Head microbiologist Jay.
Hello, I'm Jay.
Recently, there's been a Listeria outbreak in Nutri-Grain whole wheat Eggo waffles.
Yeah, this one.
So, what are we going to do about that, Jay?
We're gonna take a sample of it, and then we're gonna try to see if we can find Listeria bacteria in our setting. So for today, I'm gonna take a sample and put the
So you're gonna
bacteria.
try and grow a sample on the auger.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna take off it.
And so you're just rubbing the loop all over the waffle?
Not all over the waffle. Just I'm gonna take a little bit of it because it's already lots of in it.
Oh, I
lots of
see.
bacteria in there. Alright, we're done. Now we have to wait about a week until.
After growing the waffle sample, Dr. J is now going to streak for isolation. Streaking is a technique used to isolate a pure strain from a single species of microorganism. Samples can be taken from the resulting culture and then be identified, studied, or tested. But first, we'll have to let the bacteria grow for a few days. So, are these the differential tests?
Yes, these are the that I've run so far. Here's the differential media, oxygen requirements, and other stuff. Yeah, with these results, I can enter the data into the computer, and then we can find what kind of bacteria we have.
And so, I see you have a lot of different plates and cool looking stuff there, but what do they all mean?
For sure, so far these things, for the gram stain, with these things I can check if the bacteria is like gram stain gram positive or gram negative. And then with this is the like small bag. We can close this here, and you can restrict the oxygen in this bag. So you can check the like if this bacteria can grow with oxygen or without oxygen, or small amount of the oxygen. So this is the that for the oxygen. And we have also 4 differential media plates. So this is McConkey. This is for now is negative, nothing shown up here. So which means it should be with positive bacteria. And also this is blood agar. As you can see, there's a white bacteria here. This means like alpha hemolysis. Also we have this manitosol. This originally is red, but it turned to yellow because of the acid by the products of fermentation. Also, this is DNA. This is to detect the DNA activities. So, which means this is positive. So, which means there's a DNA activities in this bacteria. And this is test. If you see close here, there's a little bit of something on here, which means like motility is negative, and also there's no indole reaction because it has to be red color if there's indole reaction. but so there's an indole formation, so this is also negative. And this is a phenol red broth. This liquid originally red, but then since it's yellow, which means there's the fermentation. Also this little stick in here, that's still yellow. That also means there's no gas in this little tube.
So you've run a lot of tests. What do all these tests indicate?
I entered this data to the computer, and this computer analysis that the bacteria we got is Staphylococcus aureus.
Staphylococcus aureus is commonly found on the skin and in the nose of 25% of healthy people. It usually does not cause illnesses in healthy people, but it can cause food poisoning. Symptoms such as vomiting, nausea, stomach cramps, and diarrhea develop within 1 to 6 hours. Severe illness is rare. As a final note, if you think you are ill or may have food poisoning, please contact your doctor. This is MCB News, and now on to Tom for the weather.